Hey everybody, we're here today for all you new cruisers out there. We're going to talk about a very important topic.
Your Sail Sign card.
Yes, this is your life on the ship.
Yes.
Do not lose it. Do not be without it. Carry it with you at all times.
All times. This is how you pay for everything on the ship. This is how you get on and off the ship. This is how you even get in and out of your room.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's right. Yeah, so when you first get on, when you're checking in the very first day, they're going to take your picture. It's going to be associated with your individual card.
Yeah, so this is kind of good because it kind of helps. It's a little security measure.
Yeah.
This way, if you happen to lose your card, they can check and see that it's you.
Yes.
And it's also used for when you get on and off the ship. And let me tell you, getting on and off, they definitely check. They always make you take your hat off, your glasses off, and everything. You getting back on, they scan the card, and they take a good look at you to make sure you're you.
Yeah, so every time that card is scanned, your face pops up on their little laptop, kiosk, tablet, and they're going to know that it's you.
Yes.
Yes. So don't ever be without your card.
No.
You're going to need it for everything.
Yes, so don't lose it.
Yes.
Like somebody did.
Like him. Yes. On Carnival, they are really good. They go ahead and they punch that little hole in the corner so you can get a lanyard and hook it up to a lanyard. But don't be like Scott. True story. When we first started cruising, he was like, I'm not using that dumb lanyard.
Lanyard looks like a dork. Come on.
What happened? He lost his card.
I was in a lounger. I'm pretty sure that's where it happened. Just chilling. Next thing I know, I go get up, and I think I went back to the room, and I got, oh crap.
Yeah, so he lost his card. He had to go stand in line at customer service and get a new one.
Yeah.
Not a big deal. It's just inconvenient.
Yep.
Okay, so you might be wondering, where do I get this card? How do I get this card? When do I get my Sail Sign card? Well, we're going to tell you.
Yeah. So you want to make sure you hold on to your boarding pass when you first get on. For that first couple of hours, that boarding pass, that paper boarding pass, is how you're going to pay for everything. So when you finally get that first drink, you're using that paper boarding pass.
Yeah, so don't lose that. Keep that with you until you get your actual hard Sail Sign card.
And that is when?
When your rooms are ready.
When your rooms are ready.
Because usually when you get on board, your rooms aren't ready immediately.
Correct.
So.
What time is it? About 1:30 almost, I think they say. Yeah. So about 1:30, you head down to your room, and right outside the door in what they call is your mailbox, which is basically your little room number kind of thing.
Yeah.
You're going to find an envelope there with your name. Just open it up, and inside, your Sail Sign card.
Your card! And now, everybody's card's not going to be the same color.
That's true.
Depending on how many times you've cruised determines the color of your card.
So, if you're a first-time cruiser, your card's going to be blue.
That's right. If you're a second-time cruiser, it's going to be red.
Red. Then, after a few sailings, I think it's...
I don't know.
I can't remember the numbers. I'd have to look up. Then you go to gold, which we are now.
Yep.
And then you're up to platinum and diamond and so
Yes. Yes. So don't get mad if your card's not the same color as your neighbor's card. They're all different.
Yeah.
But they all do the same thing.
They all do the same thing. They all take money.
Okay, so let's talk about the money.
Yes.
How do you get money on your card?
Well, before you even start the cruise, when you've booked it, you're going online, you'll link your credit card or debit card then.
That is the easiest thing to do.
Yes.
That's what we do. That's what we recommend.
Yep. So, but we say we do that, but we usually don't end up using the card. Once we get on board, we end up pre-purchasing gift cards from like AARP or DriveWise, and we can get them discounted. It's usually a $500 gift card.
Yeah, the Carnival gift cards.
Yeah, Carnival gift cards for $450. So you save like $50.
Yeah.
So we take those and then we apply that to our account, and you can either do that at gift services or one of the kiosks on board.
Yeah, very convenient.
Very convenient. And so we just save $50, you know?
Yeah, hey, why not?
Yeah. So, but one of the things is when we were talking about with the debit cards, is that's kind of, because on embarkation day, you're going to see right off the bat, before you even get on the ship, $100 is usually put on hold for what, the 2 to 6 day sailings, and then for the 7-day sailings, they put a $200 hold on your card.
Yeah, so that is something to keep in mind.
Yeah.
You know, you have to be aware that that money is technically not there for you to spend.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so that money is on hold, and then, you know, as you're cruising along, they're actually putting charges on there. Those holds haven't come off. And then depending on how much you're spending, they might put additional holds on there. So especially on a debit card, before you know it, you could be just out of money.
Yeah, so we never use a debit card.
No, we always suggest using the credit card, and then for our tip is to get those
discounted Carnival gift cards.
Save money any way you can nowadays.
Exactly. Now, some people might not even want to use a credit card or a debit card, and that's okay.
Yeah.
You can still use cash, but you can't use cash until you actually get on board.
Yeah, so then once you get on board,
Yeah.
you go to customer service, you put your cash on your account kind of thing. Now you got to make sure that you're constantly monitoring, and that's what we do. There on your Hub app,
Yeah.
you just, every day we kind of check and make sure that there's no weird charges or anything to show up. Check your balance, and then you can see whether you need to go to customer service and add a little more, whatever.
Yeah, I mean, it can be a little inconvenient at times because the lines can get long at customer service. So, yeah, you might have to wait in line to go apply more cash to your card.
Yeah.
But, hey, if it works for you, it works for you.
Now, one thing we didn't mention, we kind of say how it's a cashless system on board, but that's not entirely true.
That's right. There is one place that you can use cash.
Yes, and that's in the casino.
The casino.
Her second home.
So you still put your Sail and Sign card in so it can recognize you and you can still get your casino points.
Yep.
But then you can feed that machine cash all night long.
Yep. Well, or the tables, which use slots, but you can
Yeah.
also use the cash at the tables too. So.
Yeah, so I mean, that's really good for some people who say, I'm only going to spend this amount of money in the casino. So once you run out of that cash, you're done.
That's it. You're
'Cause
done.
You just walk away.
Yep.
We never do that though. We use our card.
Yep.
Let's do 50 more. All right, 50 more. Okay, 50 more.
And once again, remember, you can buy those those gift cards at a discount, apply that to your account, and then put that in your bank for your casino. So you've got to save $50 on the casino there on a $500 gift card. So, you know, just saying.
Yes. So let's go ahead and let's talk about the card in a little more detail, like what it looks like. What's written on your card?
Yep, so here you go. This is your actual card. Here at the top, you're going to see your ship name that you're on.
Yep, and of course it's going to have your name on the card, so it's your card.
Okay, it's going to have your dining location, what dining room that you're assigned to.
Right, and so you have to eat dinner in your assigned dining room if you choose to go to the dining room for dinner. It will also have your VIFP club number on your card.
Yep. And then it also has what's called the folio number, and that's kind of like your credit card number. That's how they know what like when you order a drink a lot of times, that's what they're asking you for is your folio number.
Yeah, and like when you're signing into like the Wi-Fi on the Hub app, you're going to use your folio number to sign into that as well.
And then the last one here is your muster station.
Very important.
Very important.
Look at your muster station.
Yes. And as a little tip, please, on embarkation day, go to your muster station first. We can't sail until you check in at your muster station.
Well, you can get a drink first.
One
drink. One drink. That's it. And then you're cut off until you do your muster station drill.
That's right.
Because we cannot sail away until everybody does their drill. Everybody. You don't want them to be calling your name over the speakers because they will do it.
Yes. So, this was a basic overview of your Sail and Sign card. Very important. This little card is pretty much your life on the ship.
For sure, for sure. So please don't lose it. Keep it with you at all times. So you might be wondering, what if you have money left over on your Sail and Sign card? Are you gonna get it back?
It's gone!
They're gonna keep it. No. Of course you're gonna get it back. So you're gonna get a refund in the same form of your initial deposit for that cruise.
Yeah. Now, unless it's under $10, then it's done as a donation to St. Jude's.
Right, which is a very, very nice thing they do.
Yes.
So if it's over $10 and you paid with credit card, they'll refund your credit card. If you used a Carnival gift card, they're going to send you a refund in the form of a new Carnival gift card.
Yeah.
So you get the picture.
Yeah.
So you're not going to be out of your money. You will still get your money. So don't fret.
Don't fret. Now, if you like this video and you found anything useful, please like and subscribe.
That's right. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming content.
Yes.
So until next time, guys, we'll be seeing you real soon. Bye.
Bye.